Hello there. I am Tasawwur Jamal, a professional full stack developer and a freelancer. I am here to help you in grow and earn more and more and more money through freelancing and from Fiverr. In this video, I will discuss 6 niches you can create Fiverr gigs without any skills. You can learn these skills in 2 or 3 days and you can earn money by ranking the Fiverr gigs. These are the best keywords I found it for you. You can follow and create the gigs and earn money. These are simply Canva skills. You can learn Canva and earn through these skills, which are very easy to learn. Without wasting the time, let's start with my first keyword, which I found it for you. It's a Canva template. It's a suggested keywords, and let us search for it. It has 3500 result. It's a Fiverr quick view extension working on this page. I discussed it in the previous video about Fiverr quick view, and I am repeating that don't use this extension, this Chrome extension, in the account where you log in into the Fiverr. It may chance to disable your Fiverr account if you use Fiverr quick view extension where you are login. So first of all, change the account or log out from the Fiverr account, then use Fiverr quick view. If you are login, so first open this and off this all, otherwise it may chance to disable your Fiverr account. These are research of order, so let's check how many orders are getting by these sellers which are already ranked. It is very important to check because it's already discussed in previous video. If I repeat it, it will be video will be gone more lengthy. So first order, 3 order, 18, 5 is have very good order flow, and 7 order, 5 orders, you can check it, which is very good to target this keyword. And it's very easy. You can create multiple of Canva templates, hundred of Canva templates at a time, and you can sell it and you can provide it on the Fiverr. You can create from scratch according to the demand of the buyer. Let's try another keyword, which is Canva. It's a keyword, Canva video editing. It's again a suggested keyword, and I already discussed about suggested keywords in the previous video. Please watch the previous video for suggested content or suggested keywords. I discussed it in detail. It has 3100 result about Canva video editing. You can target it. If its order flow is good, you can target it. Otherwise, you can skip it because 3100 completion is not enough good if its order flow is not good. Let's wait for Fiverr quick view its work and we will check the order detail. Let's count the order. It's 1 2. Order flow is low, but you can target because this competition is not enough tough, and it's a very easy skill you can learn with the one video, and you can create the video with Canva, which is very easy for you. You can earn more money through these skills. And the next keyword is Canva t-shirt design. Wow, it's not suggested keyword. Okay, let's check it. Canva logo design. It's very high competition. Let I check for another keyword, which is Canva logo. Very low competition in the Canva logo. You can create the gig at Canva logo, and you can create a logo from any tool you use. You use AI tool, or you can use Adobe Photoshop for this for Canva creating, and you can get the order from this gig because it's easy to rank on the Canva logo. There are so many logo designer which are not able to getting the order because at the logo it's very high competition. So in the Canva logo you can get the order because it's very low results, very low competition, and order flow is good because its competition is very low and they are getting the orders. So you can target this keyword. Let me check if you can check this logo only. It's more than 2 lakh. It's very tough competition. You can't beat these sellers. So, and the next keyword is Canva expert. If it will be suggested, I will target it. Maybe suggestion may change at the time, but you need to search about suggestion and expert. It's not suggested keyword, or might be issue with my internet connection is slow. Let it check. It's suggested keyword and let us search for it. Very low result in it. 362, only 362 results are there in the Canva experts. Very low number of seller. You can create the gig and you can rank on the first page of Fiverr, and the order flow is very good. 2, 3, 1, and these are getting the orders. If you can rank on the first page, you can also get the order at this keyword. You can count in these keywords for your next Fiverr gig. Here's the next keyword is Canva info. Canva infographics. Let's say wait, if it suggests me, I will choose it, otherwise I will skip it. It's a suggested keyword and choose it. It's a very low competition here. 203, only 203 sellers are there in the Canva infographics. You can target it for your next gig, because and you can learn it very easily how to create the infographic. It's not a very difficult task. You can do it, and you can learn from any video from YouTube. With it, maybe you can learn in 30 minutes or 20 minutes by watching tutorials. You can perform these tasks, which is very easy, and you can charge what you want according to your review and your experience. Order flow is good. 1 2 1 1. Because its competition is low, you can target it. If you can rank on first page, you can get the order at this keyword, hopefully. So must try this. The next keyword is Canva social media templates. Check it, it's a suggested keywords, and let us search for it. 9,500 results. It's a very high competition. It's not very high, but it's a high competition because it is getting a very good orders. Let's check for order flow and we will discuss it more. Let's check for order 7, order 11, 7, 25, which is very good orders, and everyone getting the order without it. Everyone is getting good orders. 1, 2, 3. You can check it. And order flow is very good. That's why I mentioned this. It's maybe it's difficult to rank on this keyword, but if you are in the page 2 or page 3, it's may chance to get order in this keyword because all the sellers are getting orders and very good flow. So you can target it, and it may be easy to rank because it's a 4 number of keywords, and if the number of words in the suggested keywords are high, you can rank it easily. Let's try another words, which is Canva design. It's also suggested keyword, and competition is high again. 9,400. Why I add this in this keyword? Because its orders are getting, because its order flow is very good. You can check the order flow. All the sellers are getting the orders, and it's in very good ratio. So you can target it. So you can target these keywords. You can create the gigs and all these keywords. If you are a new and you don't know how to learn, if you don't know any skills and you want to earn through the Fiverr, you can create the gigs on these keywords and learn in 3 to 4 days. If you need a tutorial for a Canva and if you want to learn Canva, so you can comment the Canva tutorial. I will record Canva tutorial for you and I will teach you everything about the Canva. Let's end the video and I will find the more keywords according to different niches, and on the different categories I will find the best keywords and we'll discuss in the next video according to all the categories in SEO, WordPress development, website development, graphic designing, and much more. Comment below the category, what's your category, and I will find the best keywords according to your category and I will create the video on it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video.